Okay, so basically I just left work and I'm trying to reach this rally because the disastrous thing has been happening in my city, Kolkata. That is the residents and the committee, I believe, of the Diamond City West in Behala. There's this housing complex. They've been brutally strangling, suffocating the local dogs that were there, and the scene is really bad. Cops have been intervening. A lot of NGOs, including the one that I'm associated with, are all intervening there. And today all the animal activists there, we are going on a rally to protest against the illegal culling of animals. I mean, it's really sad what's happening for the last 2 days, because 16 dogs have already been killed, and it seems like a kind of even worse agenda that they have. So to stop that, we are all going on a rally today, and I am actually I was at work and then decided that no, I should be there today. So yeah, I kind of have left work in a hurry and I have to work once I'm home maybe. But then yeah, this is the scene that it is. I am in a cab and I'm just hoping to reach on time. So I'm going to try and give you updates of what exactly is happening there or is going to happen there. Okay, so I'm right away at this rally like I told you, and I'm just going to give you a thing and I'm going to show you what exactly is happening out here. This is like we are on the streets basically, and there are a lot of people doing this. Okay, I'll show that to you. So this is how, the crowd that has joined in here. We have reporters kind of reporting this, and they're talking actually how exactly brutal the entire case was. So we are just having people join us in. People are obviously getting a little agitated, and of course I'm with Ritesh. Hi. It's a sad thing, of course, so I don't think we're going to interact all that much. I'll just probably show you how it's going on, like in between. I must just vlog a little, but not all that much. It's just that we need to get this cause out in the open. People should know about it. That is why I'm vlogging. So.
But there are anyways no dogs left.
Yeah, they will move. But then the arrest is important.
Yeah, but then who's going to be arrested?
No, the authority will be arrested.
Yeah.
Because the committee out there looks like were the ones who take decisions. So obviously the demand is to get them arrested, to get the people who are involved in this brutality to get arrested, be it the committee or the people who've been doing it, literally doing it. So yeah, that's the demand. What we yes. And what we were thinking was this place, like just now we were having a discussion that this place ought to be like cursed going forwards. So many lives killed, and it's strange. It feels really sad actually to see what has happened. And if you see the pictures, we didn't even try to look into the videos because the pictures were like enough for us. I mean, humans, where are we going? Really? Okay, so a petition have been submitted to the CM's office, and there has been a kind of media coverage for this. So right now we are all sitting at Jotin Das Park because whatever is the updates regarding the petition and the recent updates of what exactly is the situation there. We already know that whatever the number of animals who were left to be killed, to say that technically, those have been moved to various NGOs. I'm going to put it down in the description box below, whatever the names. I know there are 2 NGOs who've taken in these animals, but whatever is the latest updates, that is going to be discussed. The lady leading this is Sushmita, and so yeah, she'll be explaining and she'll be addressing the crowd, and she'll be telling about the recent updates. So, okay, so right now I'm just going to talk to people or animal lovers who've gathered here. Just a little bite from what people think about this, because of the grave situation that's arisen. So I'll just take you across that. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Your name, please?
Shomita Datta.
And you are?
Shimantani.
Shimantani. You are?
Vatsala Banerjee.
Okay. Hi. Could you just tell us what exactly are your views? What do you think? Why have you gathered here, and what do you think about this entire thing?
We have gathered here for just this one thing, that it is illegal. If we allow this thing at Diamond City West, then all of the diamond cities, all of the housing complexes, all those individual persons who are against animals, who are against strays, they will start killing, and in no time Kolkata will be in a worse state than Kerala.
Totally agree to that. Totally agree to that. So are you associated with any NGO, or are you like
No, all of us, we are just individual workers.
Okay, so you've just come in to join the gather,
Yeah.
right? That's amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I am here with Shunirmal Datto. He is also an animal activist, a very active person from Kolkata. So let me just hear what he has to say.
So
Shunirmal,
one thing is that all the activities made by the residents of the diamond cities are illegal, unlawful and unethical. The human without love and care and compassion, they are not called as a human. And this to be protested, because if we do not protest here, the other societies and other states and other people will start
doing this. Exactly.
Start doing this.
Exactly.
That is why we have gathered here to protest and proceed. Because if we do not protest now, nobody will come to protest for me tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So like you heard, people are like literally raging, and everybody is like in a very, very state of shock. I mean, this is sad. I am with a member from PAWS, Pashupati Animal Welfare Society. That is the NGO I am also related to, and we have Joyati here, and I really want her to know her views as well. So Joyati, what do you think about this entire thing that is happening, and if there is any update that you want to give us?
This is completely inhuman. I am afraid that in very few days human will be cannibals, you know, will choose each other masses to eat the way the people are progressing. So I'm just waiting to justice to come. Justice must come, and those people should be behind the bar, and it will be situated as a pillar, that if somebody does something like that, they will not be waived.
Absolutely. Like, so do you think it is the committee that of the particular society, like you're talking about Diamond City West, Behala, is it the committee, or are there any other culprits or anybody else involved?
See, I simply feel it, no offense, but it is just the committee, because I am into this pet profession. I go to so many societies. I have a shelter. So often I see people request me, if this dog is barking too much, please pick him up and please send him somewhere else. Where they will go? If I go to your house and say, please vacate the place, because you hear music very loud, I can't stand that. Do you do that? So it's just like that.
Absolutely.
No one try to make friendship with them. I have gone to several places, I met friendship with them. They first ran away, and after that slowly I met friendship. So that is possible. That is not possible. So I also think, see, we just cannot abandon human. We cannot abandon dogs.
Right.
So we have to take any step from our PAWS or any other societies. We have to talk to society, we have to train them how to behave.
I want to add something.
Yeah, sure, Ritesh.
Alright,
Please.
is there a possibility, ma'am, that we can create a awareness campaign in
Yes,
the
we can, and we are thinking that, so that society to society will go.
Yeah, the awareness program.
We will listen to them, and what's their problem?
Exactly, and we have to.
Problem, and we can teach them. I do behavior training to dogs, so we can teach them that this is how you should behave, and we will go times and times until they get settled.
I know. Another thing that really surprises me is if the adults are behaving like this, what are the children going to learn? Absolutely.
I do not believe that every person in the society are bad.
Right.
And I do not believe that people cannot be changed. People are the only thing that can be changed at any stage of it.
Right. And you know what? I actually spoke to one of my friend. She knows a person who's a resident there, and what they have to say is they were told that the animals are going to be relocated, and that is why they had signed the petition.
Exactly. So there are things. So it's better. We actually habited human and dogs together.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ati. Thank you. Hi. I got back home like just before some time because I had to meet my bestie and a couple of things that were there in between after the rally. So I hope I was able to give you the right facts, the things that are happening. It is actually very saddening, like I must have said this 100 times during the video, but then, you know, this is my city and I love my city, and I definitely would not want a demonic kind of a thing that's happening that humans are doing, sadly. So I wouldn't want that to continue and stuff like that, which is why they stand, and I absolutely stand by all the animal activists, because I consider myself to be one, and I think humans and animals, I mean all creatures are supposed to live in harmony. That is why the world has been built, and that's how it should be. So yeah, people who deserve to be punished definitely would be punished, and we will fight for this justice. So yeah, if you like this video and support the cause, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for a lot of other things as well, and share this with your friends and family. It would actually mean a lot to me. And yeah, in case you want to follow me in other social media platforms, I'm going to put down all the details in the description box below. That's it. Hasta la vista.